Welcome to Montessori Education.
మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ అడ్మిషన్లు జరుగుచున్నవి. మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్, బుర్రిపాలెం రోడ్, తెనాలి. ఫోన్ 08644227115.
Hello, welcome to English Grammar video Tollywood. Previous classes we learned the tenses. I hope all of you understood. Without any doubt, you can speak and write English. Now, in this video, we are going to learn the different kinds of sentences like affirmative sentence and negative sentences. In English, there are 4 kinds of sentences. Do you remember? First one, assertive sentences. Second one is called interrogative sentences. Third one, imperative sentences. And the last 4th type of sentence are called exclamatory sentences. Today, we are going to study about the negative sentences. The first type of sentence, affirmative sentence. A statement. A statement is called a declarative sentences. Assertive sentence or an assertive sentence. What is an assertive sentence? Assertive sentence also called a declarative sentence. Declare. Say something about something or somebody. What is a declarative sentence? Or what is an assertive sentence? They are nothing. They are statements. Statements are called assertive sentence. So we have studied all the tenses, direct from simple present tense. So when we make about the formula any sentences, they are assertive sentences. They are affirmative sentences. Now today we are going to study how to make negative sentences. Affirmative sentence without negation. When you don't make negation, they are called affirmative. Affirm. The word coming from the verb to affirm. To say yes. When you say no, that is called negation, that is called negative sentences. Negative sentences. As a rule, 2 rules are there for making negative sentence. If you don't follow the 2 rules, much rules are not there, only 2 rules. Keep in mind, if you don't follow the 2 rules, our sentence is going to be a wrong sentence. First rule, we make a negative sentence by adding the word no or not. So first point are there should be the word no or not. These words, any one word should be in our sentence. When you make a sentence, either you should make no or not in the affirmative sentence. Then it will become automatically a negative sentence. Second point, where to use no or not? The beginning of the sentence or anywhere in the middle of the sentence? No or not should be used after an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. No or no should be there in the sentence. That must be also after auxiliary verb only. Do you know what are the auxiliary verbs? Is. According to sentence, auxiliary changes. Is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did. They are primary auxiliaries. There are modal auxiliaries also. Will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, need, dare. This all you studied in the previous classes. So when you make auxiliary verb, after this auxiliary verb, it is correct. Is not, are not, was not, were not, will not, have not, has not, do not, does not, must not, may not. Like that you should use after auxiliary verb. So now once more we will write as a one statement how to make negative sentence. Keep in mind negative how to make negative sentence. We make a negative sentence by adding the word no or not after an auxiliary verb. Or not after an auxiliary verb. 2 point is important. No or not. An auxiliary verb. How it is? Out of 12 tenses, simple present tense and simple past tense, there can be sentence without auxiliary verb. For example, you see, I write my notes. There is no auxiliary verb. Simple past. I wrote my notes yesterday. But remaining tenses, when you make sentences, there must be an auxiliary verb. For example, simple future tense. I will write my notes. There is no auxiliary verb there. What is auxiliary verb? Will is auxiliary verb. So you should roll it there. You make no or not after auxiliary verb. Will is auxiliary verb, will not. Short form you can use, full form will not, won't. I will write my notes. I will not write my notes. Again you go for present continuous tense. Is are plus verb. Is are is auxiliary verb. Is not. I am not writing my notes. She is not writing her notes. So simple present and simple past tense only there can be sentences without the auxiliary verb. That means there can be sentences only with the main verb. But simple present, simple past also we can make negative sentence. But auxiliary verb must be there. How to make, whether sentence is main verb, how to make negative sentence? Every verb, every main verb has an auxiliary verb hiding behind it. Only thing is that you have to find out. As you or your brother do any work, any mistakes, you hide it behind. By seeing the person, we don't understand the mistakes. But when you go through the person, then you understand what you did, what is the mistake you did. Like that, you have to go through the verb. Each main verb has got an auxiliary verb hiding behind that. For example, you see the verb go. Go. I go to market. You cannot make sentence I don't go to market because you violate the rules, auxiliary verb not there. You are, first rule is correct, you used no, I not. But second rule, auxiliary verb must be there. Where before the word no, there should be auxiliary verb. I go to market, there is no auxiliary, you divide. When you look at the hide the behind the auxiliary, what is that? Go is equal to do plus go. So what is auxiliary here? Do is auxiliary. I go to market, I do not go to market. Here you have do not, because go is equal to do plus go. Another verb you have got drink. For example, drink. What is auxiliary? Because we drink water. You have to make nice because auxiliary must be there. Do again. Do plus. Because you see both sentences, it's a present plural verb, present plural verb. Every present plural verb, do is the auxiliary verb. Present plural verb, do. Do plus same verb. Another present verb, do is the main verb, do, did, done, main verb. What is the we told auxiliary do? Do plus do. I do my work, I do not do my work. Short form, do not, don't drink, don't go, don't do. Have is a present verb. We told every present main verb, do is auxiliary verb. Do plus have. So when you make sentence with go or you see instead of this one you can say study, do plus study. They do not study. Singular, what is the singular go? When you add yes or yes to the verb that becomes singular. Here, yes, goes. She goes third person. When subject is single person in the study, when the subject is third person singular, the verb must be also singular. Go is plural. Goes is singular. We go to market, but my father goes to the market. Goes is equal to singular verb. They automatically auxiliary verb is singular. Does. Does plus go. I go to market. I don't go to market. She goes to market. She doesn't go to market. Drink of singular, drinks. What's also verb? Does plus drink. Does plus drink. Do is singular. What is singular? Does is singular. Does. Does is equal to does plus do. Your does is auxiliary verb. This is main verb. Have. For singular, has is singular. Has is equal to does plus have. Only we made singular, second part should be plural. One singular, again singular should not be made. First part is singular, second part is plural. Does plus have. Do plus have. Now, go, goes, both are present verbs. Now, past form, go, went. We went to the party. We went to the party. Negative sentence, we need auxiliary verb, not that we hide it behind that, we have to find out. Since past, when is the past form of the verb, we have to use auxiliary verb. Do, does, did. Did plus go. We didn't go, we did not go to the party. Drink, drank. Drank. Did plus drink. We drank a cup of coffee. We drank a cup of coffee. So drank, negative sentence we need auxiliary verb. We drank is did plus drink. We did not drink. We didn't drink a cup of coffee. Do, does, did. This is past form. Or when you divide the verb into the did plus did. We did the verb. We did not do the verb. We did not do the verb. We didn't do the work. Have had, has had. Did plus have. We had our dinner. We didn't have our dinner. So now look at this one, you can understand every main verb, there's auxiliary verb, but the verb is present plural, you go for do. Do plus same verb, very verb. Do is auxiliary. When the verb is present plural verb, does. Does plus same verb. When the verb is past form of the auxiliary verb, that's did. Do, does, did. You have to use as auxiliary verb and same verb. But when the auxiliary verb is present past, the verb should not be past again. That should be present. Did go. Did play. Did see. Because did is past, see is present. You cannot say did so. So we divide the word. So we make a negative sentence by adding the word no or not after auxiliary. See, your auxiliaries are do, does, did. Do not, does not, did not. These verbs we can use with simple present and simple past. As I before told, remaining simple future tense always every time there should be an auxiliary verb. So it is very easy to make negative sentence because same auxiliary verb after you are using also. Now, as a homework, learn the verb, divide the verb. Now I'll give you 5 sentences. So you divide the verbs into auxiliary verbs. Play, simple verb play. Play is equal to. You have to write the answer and send to my WhatsApp. Another verb is the first one. 5 are the second one. Rights. Rights. R-I-T-S. Rights is equal to. Third one. Explained. Explained. E-X-P-L-A-I-N-E-D. Explained is equal to. Fourth one. Run. So is equal to. So as a homework, divide this verb. Play is equal to how? Does plus player, did plus player, do plus player, like that. Rides, explained, run. So this verb to divide into auxiliary verb and main verb. Thank you.